Okay, it's time to clean the air wash. And on the Harman stoves, it's this slot that draws in the fresh air to keep the glass clean. So in order to do this, all you need is an ash vac and a nice compressor. In this case, I have an air drop right in the boiler room with a nice coiled air cord. So to clean the air wash, just turn on the ash vac and blow it out. And that's all there is to it.